What if one of the most powerful habits for your heart isn't a workout at all, but a way of sitting that's thousands of years old? When people think about lowering blood pressure, they usually imagine running shoes, gym memberships, and intense cardio sessions. While exercise remains one of the best tools for heart health, researchers have discovered that a simple ancient sitting position may offer surprising benefits for circulation, flexibility, stress reduction, and blood pressure control. The position is known as the squat, a posture humans have used for thousands of years, before chairs became a part of daily life. Across many traditional cultures, people regularly rested, worked, cooked, and socialized in a deep squat. Unlike modern sitting, which often leaves us slouched in chairs for hours, the deep squat engages multiple muscle groups while promoting mobility in the hips, knees, ankles, and lower back. The reason this posture is attracting attention is not that it magically replaces exercise. Rather, it encourages several physiological effects linked to healthier blood pressure levels. First, deep squatting can help improve circulation. When you move into and out of a squat position, muscles in the legs actively contract and relax, helping blood return toward the heart. This natural pumping action supports healthy blood flow throughout the body. Second, the position may encourage relaxation. Blood pressure is heavily influenced by the nervous system. Chronic stress keeps the body in a heightened state of alertness, increasing heart rate and constricting blood vessels. Many people naturally adopt a slower breathing pattern when holding a comfortable squat, which may activate the body's relaxation response and help reduce tension. Third, squatting improves mobility. Poor mobility often leads to reduced physical activity, and inactivity is a major risk factor for high blood pressure. Maintaining the ability to comfortably squat supports overall movement quality, making it easier to stay active throughout life. Researchers have repeatedly shown that regular physical activity lowers blood pressure, but an often overlooked factor is the amount of time spent sitting. Long periods of sedentary behavior can negatively affect cardiovascular health, even in people who exercise regularly. Replacing some chair time with more active postures, including supported squatting, may help counteract some of these effects. There is also evidence that flexibility and lower body function are associated with better long-term health outcomes. People who maintain strong, mobile joints and muscles tend to remain more active as they age, which contributes to healthier blood pressure and cardiovascular function. That said, headlines claiming that squatting outperforms running can be misleading. Running provides substantial cardiovascular benefits, improves aerobic fitness, burns calories, and strengthens the heart. No sitting position completely replaces those advantages. The real takeaway is that the ancient squat offers benefits that modern lifestyles often neglect. For beginners, the safest approach is to start gradually. Hold on to a sturdy support, lower yourself only as far as comfortable, and focus on steady breathing. Even spending a few minutes each day practicing the position can improve mobility over time. People with knee, hip, ankle, balance, or medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before attempting deep squats. The bigger lesson isn't that running is unnecessary, it's that health isn't built only during workouts. The positions we use throughout the day matter too. Our ancestors moved frequently, changed postures often, and spent far less time sitting in chairs than most modern adults. A few minutes of squatting won't instantly normalize blood pressure. However, when combined with regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, a balanced diet, and healthy body weight, this ancient posture can become one more tool for supporting cardiovascular health. Sometimes the most valuable health practices aren't discoveries at all. They're ancient habits that modern life quietly left behind. And in a world where many people spend most of the day sitting still, relearning how to squat may be a surprisingly powerful step toward a healthier heart. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever tried resting in a deep squat? Share your experience and let us know how long you can hold it.